Getting hired online is very competitive, and most beginners struggle because they choose the wrong skills. That is why in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple services that you can just choose one, and it is going to give you a much better chance of getting hired online today. I know a lot of you watching this video are interested in virtual assistants, things like data entry, email management, and other administrative support services. But unless you already have a client, I am going to ask you to pause on that for a moment. Focus on the following visual skills first, because this is going to help you find your first client fast. And if you find your first client, you get your first few 5-star reviews from client, this is going to give you some credibility, which is going to make it easier for you to transition to virtual assistants. This is exactly how I got started. I didn't start as a virtual assistant. I started with a visual skill, and then later on I transitioned to virtual assistants. I'm going to go deeper on this later in the video, but for now let's get down to the 3 skills. The first one is social media graphic design. This is something that is always going to be in demand because really almost all businesses have social media pages. So social media pages need social media graphics, and with Canva it's very easy to learn social media graphics today. And the benefit of doing this is it's going to be a lot easier for you to find a client if you are offering social media graphic design, because any business that you find is going to be very easy for you to find the social pages of that business. If you find their social pages, you can clearly see if they have good graphics posted on socials. If they have graphics posted that are not that good and you can create better graphics for them, it's going to be a lot easier for you to convince them to hire you. And that is why social media graphic design is a very good skill to learn. If you learn only social media graphic design, you spend at least 30 days learning how to create social media graphics design with Canva, you are going to have enough skills to start going out there and start looking for a client. This is going to put you ahead of anyone offering things like data entry, because if you already learn, you can use your creativity to create unique samples. Whereas if someone is offering data entry service, there is very little you can do with Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet. If 3 people create data entry samples, the samples are going to be a lot like the same. There are going to be differences in the data, but in terms of visual attractiveness, they are going to look almost the same. But if you do social media graphics, you can clearly separate yourself if you have the right skills. And that is why social media graphic design is a very important skill that can put you ahead. And the second skill that I'm going to recommend for beginners is ebook design. Most online businesses today have something called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that a business is going to give it to you for free in exchange of your email subscription. Most businesses have this. Even if you go to my own website, sadiqumar.com, you are going to find something I named Virtual Assistant Starter Kit. It's a free thing that you can just sign up with your email and you are going to get it for free. This means you get some value for free and I get your email as an email subscriber, so I can send you promotional emails later. So most businesses have this, and it's going to be a very important skill to have, because if you look at any business and you just look at their homepage, you find their lead magnet, sign up for this and get this for free. You sign up for them and you look at the ebook that they have, it is not that great, you can create a better design for them. It's going to be a lot easier for you to convince them to hire you to do that one thing for them. And even if you find a business that doesn't even have a lead magnet, it's going to be easy for you to do a little research, find a topic, or maybe if they have some articles, blog articles posted on the business website, you can take one of the articles they write, turn it into an ebook and share it with them. This is going to help them see your skills, so that it's going to be a lot easier for them to hire you when they see the clear value. And this is also something that you can entirely do with Canva. There are other online tools that are specifically for creating ebook. You can explore those, but I have created many ebooks, and continuously I am creating ebook lead magnet for my client, and I almost always use Canva. So if you know how to use Canva, you can learn how to create very good and appealing looking ebooks, and it is going to be a lot easier for you to convince a client to hire you than someone who is offering administrative support services. The third skill is vertical video editing. Video editing is something that takes time and it takes a lot of skills. But if you do vertical video editing, it is going to take less time and it is going to be easier for you to convince someone to hire you. All you really need to do is go to YouTube, find YouTube channels that are publishing long form content. If they don't have vertical videos posted, you can take some of their long form videos, convert them into short vertical videos, try as much as possible to make them appealing, and you are going to have a lot easier time to convince them to hire you. And even if they are already posting YouTube short, or if they are posting on TikTok and Instagram Reels, if they are posting just clips that doesn't really look that good, and you can add some nice captions and B-rolls, make it better than what they have, you can just take one of their videos, edit it, make it look that good, and you clearly show them the value that they are going to get if they hire you. So it's going to be a lot easier for them to hire you. So these are the 3 services that you can choose any one of those services, spend at least 30 days learning that service alone, and within 30 days you can have enough knowledge to start offering it to your client. And clearly you can see why it is going to be easier for you to get hired if you choose one of those services compared to someone who is offering administrative support services. Offering administrative support services, virtual assistant services, is better in many cases because you don't have to keep looking for clients. You can just find 2 or 3 clients and you can work with them for years. But if you wait until you get that kind of client, you might keep waiting forever, really. But if you follow this route, you can find clients who you can easily convince to hire you. After they hire you, you can pitch your virtual assistant services to them. Or if you don't even pitch your services to them, or if they already have other people doing their virtual assistant work, you can get some testimonials from them, which is going to help you and make it a lot easier for you to find virtual assistant client, because what you can leverage to find virtual assistant client is experience. So if you have that experience, virtual assistant clients are going to trust you more. And I have been working online since 2019. I did freelance website design, I did freelance landing page design, I then transitioned to virtual assistants. I found clients in so many different places, and in this video I explain all the places I ever found clients working online, so you can check it out. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.